with us. Let me put that question across to Kovai Sathyan. It's a critical service. The question that many are asking is, what is the example being set? What is the fault of that ambulance driver, the pregnant healthcare worker? What is happening? We were debating this last week on the show, and it's actually happened on ground. What action is your party taking against those who took law and order into their own hands?
Madhav, our leader, and I myself make it very clear, nobody is above the law. And our leader stands by. If DMK feels that they have all the grounds and merits to take the law as per the books of law, we welcome. Let them go ahead. But let me tell you, suddenly on a hurried manner, DMK can release the evidence today of yesterday's event. What has happened to the last 20 events when ambulance have passed by? Why no data have come out? Let me tell you, this is a nefarious design, nefarious plan by the DMK to derail our rally, because they are not able to digest the support that our leader is receiving on ground. Yesterday is a much more well-planned and staged drama, so that they can capture the data points and come out to the open public and see we have a genuine reason to ply the ambulance among the crowd. This is a
if there is a genuine reason, then how is it a drama? Once again, Kovai Sathyan, you're contradicting yourself here. If there is either there is a genuine reason or it is a drama. You can't say it's both.
Come again, Madhav?
Either there is a genuine reason why that ambulance was there in the first place, or it is a drama. How can it be both?
If data can come so fast for yesterday events, what happened to the data for the last 20 ambulances that passed by whenever our leader took the podium, Madhav? Who is stopping DMK to release those data?
Release the data. Syed Hafiz, release the data of the last 20 events.
No, Madhav, is that even a logical demand? Then they'll ask for all the 13,000 calls that the ambulance service is providing. Now, for the solution, according to Sathyan's logic, is to ban ambulance service wherever Edappadi Palaniswamy is campaigning. Wherever his meetings are happening, 108 ambulance service will not be provided to the people. And I don't understand the logic of empty ambulance. You need to have an empty ambulance for a pickup, sir. That is the logic. Empty ambulance is required. It is not a share auto where 10 people are already there. You pick up a 12th guy or 11th guy and go. There should be an empty ambulance to attend a distress call. That is the basic common sense. And what logic is that? Release the data, release the data. Why should we release the data? Don't hallucinate. We don't need this kind of a cheap or dirty tricks to derail. You have no support on ground. That is why you are losing elections. Stop hallucinating. You are against the people.
Did you deploy? The question inside the face is, did you deploy adequate persons for law and order? That's a question that's repeatedly coming up. Did the DMK government not deploy adequate? Last time we debated it also, this was the question, that you did not have adequate police bandobast. Due to political reasons, you're not deploying police.
Madhav, the police is there. Your channel is showing that video. See the footage. As long as this ruckus came in, it is the police personnel who's coming and protecting the ambulance service provider and paramedical staff. What allegations are these people making?
Yet they got beaten up, sir. Yet they got beaten up there in hospital. Clearly, there wasn't enough police over there.
It is a huge mob. It is a huge mob, instigated mob that has been inspired by the speech of their leader. This is
Kovai Sathyan, and this is exactly what we were discussing. You know, end of the day, leaders have to be responsible for a reason. Here you have a situation where your cadre was extremely excited and they were probably influenced by what he said last week, and very clearly this is the result. And the fact that you're not going to take action against your own party cadre who are doing this kind of behavior shows that there is some kind of sanction, and this can happen again.
Madhav, let me tell you, going forward, our leader knows how to handle such scenarios by giving a befitting reply to DMK. But look at their answers. Why should we release the data? We are not asking all the calls that comes to 108. We are just asking the data of just 20 or 13 ambulances that went past through our leader's rally whenever he took the podium.
No, but why not take action against these people? Kovai Sathyan, if you feel this is wrong, why aren't you taking action against the people who did so?
What's the design of Madhav, I tell you what. Next, they are trying to take data so that they can file a PAL in the court in the name of public interest litigation, asking for a gag order for a leaders' rally. This is what DMK is a 420 company. Let me tell you.
There is no issue, sir. You fight it out amongst yourselves. But the healthcare professionals suffering in this manner is very, very unfortunate.